The following video tutorial is going to cover how to use the free online software Conversations in order to record conversations between you and your students. To begin with, we recommend using the Safari web browser. We have noticed that it works the best with this software and also helps with any glitches when you begin uploading your conversations to your Google Sites. So open up your Safari browser and go to this URL. This URL has a variety of resources, all free and available online, that are excellent to use in any language acquisition class. We are going to be focusing on the software called Conversations. Once you get to this URL, I recommend adding it to your bookmarks and then scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking on the box called Conversations right here. This will take you to the Conversations homepage where you will need to make a free online account. In order to do that, click on the new user icon on the left side of the screen, which will route you to this page here. You will need to enter in your information in order to create your account. I recommend using your KAUST school Gmail as the email address on the top of this form. When you are done entering in your information and you click on Create Account, an email will be automatically sent to your KAUST school Gmail with your login information. You can then log in to your new Conversations account. Once you have created your free Conversations account and logged in, it will take you to this homepage. There are a variety of resources and guides in the upper left-hand corner. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a conversation and how to embed that conversation in your Google website. To begin with, we need to start a new conversation on the bottom left. We need to give that conversation a name. Once we have typed in a name and click OK, it will add that conversation to our conversations list. We can add more than one conversation. There are a variety of icons next to the conversation titles. The pencil allows us to both create and edit a conversation. The eyeball allows us to view student responses to the conversation questions. The page with the arrow allows us to share student responses with another teacher that has a Conversations account. And the red X allows us to simply delete that conversation from our list. We will begin by clicking on the pencil icon, which will load our conversation into the middle of the screen. It will also bring up a prompt as towards whether or not your computer can use the built-in camera and microphone access. We of course want to allow the website to use our built-in camera and microphone in order to record our conversation. As soon as we click allow, we will pop up on the screen inside of the conversation editor. You will see that the title has also loaded, and there are 4 simple steps to creating a conversation. We must add questions by clicking on the green plus icon, and when we click on it, numbers appear on that blank window above. If we click on it 3 times, we will then add 3 questions. And if we have made a mistake and accidentally added too many, we can click the red X to delete one. In order to record a question, we must highlight the number and click the red record button down here. As soon as you click that red record button, it will start recording you. So you should have your questions ready to go before you begin recording. I also recommend adding a little bit of delay time before you start speaking in order to allow a little bit of extra buffer time in between when the question loads and when the actual conversation begins. So for our casual conversation, we will ask 3 questions. Please tell us your name and where you are from. And it's as simple as that. I click record, I ask the question, I click the stop button, and the question has been recorded, and I go to the next question. Please tell us the favorite place you have visited in the world. And our third question, please tell us what you would like to be when you grow up. I can also look and listen to the questions that I have recorded by clicking the play button. Please tell us what you would like to be when you grow up. If I'm satisfied and happy with all of my questions, I click Save All. This then saves my conversation successfully. That's great. Now I need to embed my conversation in my Google site. In order to do that, I need the embed code down here, and I can simply click the copy button right here to copy that entire code. In the next phase of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed this conversation into your Google site and what it will look like after students have recorded their responses.